Hello everyone, I am back yet again with a short video, and I promise this is short, to just show you something that you can do with the options that are already available in your Creative Cloud, which obviously means that you have at least Photoshop, if not the full package. Now, when you go into your account, you will see that there's an option to go to Firefly or to look at their various options. Now, I will put this link that is specific to this site. I will put it so that you can understand what's going on and just click on Firefly and try it out. Firefly is one of the many models that are available to apply to using. It's an AI model. I personally do not use it very much. However, I did try it out, and I want to show you what my results were. This was my original photo that I uploaded. It gives you a little plus down here to add the photos. So I can add a photo, or it will generate another one for me. And underneath here, as you can see, describe what you want to create, or edit, it is. So you can start from nothing and say what you want to create. So I made a mistake in my next one, and as you can see, the colors look terrible. I said, apply unique, strong color tones. Because as you can see in the first one, it's kind of a little bit lacking on the colors. However, now that I look back at it, I like it. And then I said, desaturate by 40%. Well, that didn't really fix it for me either. So let me tell you what my next move was. I decided I wanted to change some things. Exchange the woman's glasses with a pair that have wireframe style and are round, comma, keep the face, period. Now, this is important, comma, and keep the same face, period. Those are important. If you do not say keep the same face, you will end up with somebody you've never seen before. And if these are for personal use, of course you want it to be someone you've seen. And so there's her new glasses. The previous glasses were purple and not round. Close to round, but not quite. And lastly, I decided to this is not the last. I said, make the boy stick his tongue out. And suddenly his mouth is open and his tongue is out. I did not take any pictures that looked like that, so this is purely the work of Firefly. And lastly, I said, make the mother kiss her son. I believe this. Make the woman kiss the boy on the cheek, because it's not obvious that it's the mother and son. To AI, at least, it's not obvious. And sure enough, it looks very real. And look at his face. Different face. His eyes are more wide open. And now they're just like, well, mommy's got control, apparently. That's the look. And I can change his coat to a different color by just saying I want to do whatever. I can just tell it to change. And I can use this image as my reference image. The term reference images or referral image is what they use, meaning that's the image it's supposed to be. Your AI prompt will be applied to. This was short, but it was to the point. And if you need any more information on the various models and what the cost is very minute, in my opinion, to get all the models that are now showing in my Photoshop. So I am looking forward to hearing from others that are using this, and if you want to have something specific, please let me know. I would appreciate it if you like, and all of your comments, I will read them. All of your suggestions of what you would like to see happen, go ahead, give me that. I can handle it and see what happens. Thank you very much for your time. I'm looking forward to seeing some more.